In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GoDaddy email on Outlook. 2025 new update. Before we start, make sure you're using the new Outlook for Windows. Many users are automatically switched over, and you'll know you're in the right place if the interface looks streamlined with a single left navigation bar. If you're still on the classic version, that's okay, but the buttons and screens may look a little different. Begin by opening Outlook on your Windows computer. Once it's up, go to the File menu in the upper left corner. From there, choose the option to add a new account. You'll see a prompt to enter an email address. Type your full GoDaddy email address exactly as it's set up in your account. Then select Connect. Outlook will take it from here and try to detect the correct settings automatically, which is the recommended and most reliable method in 2020. Next, follow the sign-in prompts that appear. If Outlook asks what type of account this is, choose Work or School account. That's because GoDaddy email typically runs on Microsoft 365, which is considered a work account in Microsoft's system. When prompted, enter the password associated with your mailbox. Take a moment to double-check spelling and capitalization, and ensure you're using the current password, especially if you've recently reset it through your GoDaddy dashboard. If your organization or mailbox has multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll be asked to verify your sign-in. Complete that verification using your usual method, such as an authenticator app, a text code, or a hardware key. If you see an option to stay signed in or to trust this device, it's generally helpful to accept that on a personal or work computer you control, so you aren't prompted every time you open Outlook. Once authentication is successful, Outlook will finalize the connection and start syncing your mailbox. You'll see your folders and messages begin to populate. Give it a few minutes, especially if your inbox is large. While that happens, you can test by sending yourself a quick message to confirm sending and receiving are working. If Outlook can't find your settings on the first try, don't worry. Make sure your mailbox is active in your GoDaddy account and that you're connected to the internet. Trying the connection again after a moment often resolves it. Keeping Outlook updated also helps with smooth setup. That's it. Your GoDaddy email is now set up in the new Outlook for Windows, and you're ready to get back to work.